Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here. So in today's video, I'm showing you all how to step up your mascara routine, add a little bit more oomph to your lashes, and that is by adding a second mascara in. I've talked about this on my blog before, but oftentimes to get those dream lashes, you're not just going to be able to rely on one mascara. I know I do a lot of mascara reviews on this channel, over 50. I can't believe that I have over 50 on this channel. But the truth of the matter is, a lot of times you need two mascaras. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite go-to mascara combos that I'm using right now. And if you're excited, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, but let's just get started. Alright, so as you guys can see, the side is already done and it is beautiful. It literally looks like I have false lashes on, like my oh my. You guys might have thought that I would be using another mascara for this, but I'm actually using the Maybelline Sky High mascara for the base of my lashes, and that's going to be to really separate out the lashes so that way it just looks like a perfect lash, i.e. lash extensions, falsies. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I was using my Hello Kitty mirror for this eye, as you guys can see. We're just going to go ahead and I'm going to try to do it here. So we already know how this mascara comes out, and you guys may know how I try to use the method where you go vertical first and then after you go horizontal. And then now I'm ready to go horizontal. All right, so that is about one coat right there. And as you guys can see, the lashes are separated. They're very pretty, but they're not as big as bold as this eye, and that's okay. We're gonna go in with a second coat just to see if we can get a little more boldness. And sometimes I too would be a little like frustrated because I'm like, okay, I'm using like a really good mascara, but my lashes, like in the mirror when I get done applying them, they look good. And then, you know, you go out, you take a picture with friends and you're like, why do my lashes look so basic? Granted, like, you know, other people are wearing falsies and stuff too, but when you left the mirror, you thought your lashes looked bomb, and they do look bomb. But we're out here competing with fake lashes, okay? We are out here competing with fake lashes, so we need a little bit more oomph. And that's what a second mascara does. Now we're gonna actually go in with a third coat. We're really just working it in there, guys. Working it in there. Okay, now we're gonna take a quick peek in the mirror so I can make sure everything looks good, because this small little camera lens is not always doing it. So yeah, this, normally you guys, in my mascara videos, this is the part where I start freaking out and I'm like, oh my gosh, they're so perfectly separated. These are the best lashes ever and they are amazing. But again, we just need that oomph. But yeah, so we just need that oomph. And something you can do is you can keep applying, you know, coat after coat, praying and hoping it's just gonna come through, and it might. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like when you just keep applying. Like, it's getting there, right? It's getting there, but this side still has a little bit more so this is actually going to be our last coat with this, because I'm going to show you how we're really going to go in and get that boldness and that like, oh my goodness, is she wearing false lashes type of look. So here we go. This is our last one right here. I get close so we can like take a serious look. While these look amazing, excuse my little stubby nails, this side definitely has a little bit more like a little more drama, a little more curiosity. And that is why you need a second mascara. So the second mascara we're going in, it's not in the Maybelline family, but their parent company brings them together. So this is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. I don't hear anybody ever talking about this mascara, but it is the perfect mascara. Let me tell you, the perfect mascara. So you just take it out here. You guys can see this here. It just gives you so much volume, and volume is what is going to take your lashes from here to here. And you don't want, or sometimes not every mascara can do both. Like seriously, they just can't. So what I'm focusing on is just the very, very tips, so the ends. Before we were focusing on separating them, elongating them, and now we're just focusing on that oomph, really bringing out the color in the lashes so it really stands out, really looks bold, and it just really, really looks good. And just take your time, you guys. I don't know when I edit this if it's going to be in real time or clips, but regardless, take your time doing this. I feel like applying mascara takes the same amount of time for me as applying lashes. It just is what it is, but you get a beautiful, beautiful result. So I'm just going to go ahead and look a little bit here to make sure everything is copacetic. We have a teeny bit of clumping, so that lets me know, okay, it is time to stop. And I think that's because we went in with like 5 coats of the first one. But now look at these lashes. Okay, so look at these lashes, you guys. Okay, you cannot get these lashes. Okay, maybe it's hard to get these lashes with just one mascara, trust me. So these 2 mascaras is how you can get some fire lashes. Just drugstore mascara. Both of them together will probably run you about 20 bucks, which is the same price as maybe a luxury mascara or a prestige mascara. But I will say, most of the time to get your lashes to look like falsies, you are gonna need a second mascara to give you that So the first mascara will separate your lashes and give you length. The second mascara is to give you that volume and boldness, so it's kind of like a messier formula, one that's just really going to stick to the tips of your lashes. These 2 are a fire combination to try if you are looking to really take your lashes to the next level. Both of these are not waterproof, so it's easy to come off. I really like this combination. It's super bold and dramatic. If you were to curl your lashes, it would make it even more dramatic, but my lashes right now already look crazy, so I'm just going to leave it as is. But let me know what you guys think about these 2 together, and if you would try it, and also if you think you're going to start adding a second mascara to your mascara routine. And also in the comments, let me know what mascaras you guys would like me to try next, and also if you like the setup with just a nice clean aesthetic background, you know, and us just getting straight to the product. So I of course will link other videos below of previous mascara videos in that mascara playlist I was talking about in the beginning, but please remember to like and subscribe to this video. I'm trying to get to 10K before the summer, so I would love your support and help. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.